A lady came up to me and she's like, that is a really good find, and I was like, yeah, I'm excited. Hello my beautiful stars, I hope you're doing so well today. If you're new here, my name is Molly and I create fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and reselling videos. So if you like any of those things, definitely subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 400 subscribers and that would mean the absolute world to me. I'm getting closer every day and I just can't wait to make it to that mark. And then after that, 450, 500, and just growing from there. So I will be show you guys what I got at the bins today. I just got back like 20 minutes ago and I got some really good stuff. I feel like every time you find some good things, it's always, or anytime that you find anything really, it's always a good time. So yeah, and especially at the bins, it's always kind of like a treasure hunt. And it's a Sunday and I have been trying to go on Sundays now because it's a little bit less hectic than it would be on a regular old day. For some reason, even though it's a weekend, for me, it's a lot slower there, which I appreciate because it's not as like, you know, hounding on top of the clothes and stuff. And also don't forget to like this video. Lets YouTube know and me know that you like these videos and you want to see more of them. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this bins haul. So first, that is not going to be in this video, is a like, I've seen these multiple times. I've gone to the bins, but it's usually in a weird, you know, color, or it's just not in as great condition. But it's one of those collapsible, it like velcros onto like the poles in your closet and you can put like shoes in it or clothes or whatever you want. And I've never used one before, but I thought it'd be nice to have one because my closet's a bit smaller at the house that I'm living in this year, and I'm really excited to live there and I'm excited to decorate my room. I'll probably do a video on that as well. But I just knew that when I moved in some of my stuff in July that I would want to kind of really organize my closet because I'm going to be having my Poshmark stuff in there and all of that. So I thought this would be helpful for either some of my clothes, especially if I run out of room in my dresser, or if I want to use it for Poshmark stuff. So that's one thing that I got, and it's like in a beige color and it's in really good condition. So a lady came up to me and she's like, that is a really good find, and I was like, yeah, I'm excited. And I also have my Dunkin Donuts. If you know me, I love Dunkin or Starbucks, pretty much any coffee. I love iced coffee. I have my paper straw and we're just here to thrive. And they have their pumpkin flavors now, so I'm being really basic and I got pumpkin, so we're here for that. Now we'll dive into the rest of the stuff. So I got this bag. It's a brand new with tags home goods bag. And I love anything that just has to do with adventure, and it says let the adventure begin, and I was like, that. And I'll probably bring this one with me to school because my mom has reusable bags here, and then I always like take some to school, so I'll just bring the ones that I've been buying recently in my other hauls. You'll see they're always at the bins. How much was this? This was, oh, it's only 99 cents. Wow, that's not bad. But I got these Harley Davidson men's, or a woman could wear them too, it doesn't matter. But they're just some pajama pants, and these are for my mom's boyfriend. I think he'll really like these. We have a Harley and they love anything Harley, so I thought of him when I grabbed these, and they'll be perfect for lounging around. I got these awesome velvet pants for myself. They're vintage from probably the 80s or 90s, and they're size 12, so yeah, and it's by Always Caroline. I thought that tag was really cool. But it's like this beautiful blue color, and I could wear these to like chapter meetings or something, or wear them around, so I'm gonna see if they fit me. If they do, maybe I'll film a try on part and put it in here somewhere. But yeah, I got those. A No Boundaries, just tank, and I knew I needed some of these, so I got this for myself. A New with Tags PacSun swim bottom. I just thought the pattern was cute, and even though the summer is ending, people are still swimming in many different areas. People are still going on vacations, so I thought they're no tags, I'm gonna get them. Then I found this Kate Spade Saturday, an extra small little tank, and if this fit me, I would love it. But yeah, I just like, I saw it and I thought it was cute, and then I saw it was Kate Spade, so I think this is just a regular woman's shirt, but it's a little warm, but I'm going to kind of doll it up and pill shave it, and then it should be good. I love getting socks at the bins because they're, you know, really cheap and they don't weigh anything, and I thought these ones were really cute with like the buttons, so I'm always looking for socks for myself for like my boots and stuff. And I found this Free People We the Free long sleeve shirt. and it's kind of like a gauzy material. And I found a Fort Worth, Fort Worth, Texas t-shirt, and I think I might sell it as is, and then they can crop it if they want to. But yeah, it's a men's t-shirt, and it's a 2XL. So if you like anything, I'll definitely let me know and I will list it. Otherwise, you can message me on my Instagram, which is at @malsrees_closet, and just let me know if you're interested in anything. Another tank for me, this is from Forever 21, so I got that. Got these for myself as well. They're just some Old Navy swimming pajama pants, and there's a little stain on it, but I love the color. And I worked at Old Navy for 4 years. I think I said that in a video before, and I never, like, I bought a lot of stuff there, but I never really bought a lot of pajamas, and their pajamas are so cute, so I was happy to find these ones. I think those were there when I worked there. I found these most adorable. Oh my gosh, I wish they would fit me. They're size small, American Eagle, like vintage American Eagle outfitters. Short overalls. Like, how cute are these? I'm so stoked about this. So if you are a size small, those are for you, baby. Then I just got a no-name bralette. They usually do pretty well, even if they don't have a brand, because it's a bralette. I found this on the floor. It needs some major TLC, but it's a 31 lunch bag. This is actually really cute, but I have too many lunch bags. You can't keep this one, but I just need to wash it and it should be good to go. Then I thought this was really cool for like the back of it. It has this little doodad, and it says Canoe the Boundary Waters on the front. And I'm always looking for big t-shirts to wear with my bike shorts, so got that for myself, but I might sell it eventually if I don't end up wearing it a lot. This is a fast seller for me on Vinted for like a few bucks, which is totally fine with me if I flip it for like $3 or $4. That's fine with me because Vinted, it's a straight profit. They don't take anything from you, so I'd make the $4 if I sell it for $4. It's just a pink Victoria's Secret tank top. These do really well for me on Vinted, so if you have a lot of pink stuff, throw it onto Vinted. And this is pretty worn as well, but I'll just doctor it up. And it's a Torrid size 2 little cardigan, really cute, and it's really soft. Then I went to this bin. There's a huge pile of clothes and no one was over there, so I was like, I'm gonna hop on that. And it was oh my gosh, I got a buttload of Harley Davidson. And this might be for me as well with bike shorts or with jeans in general, but yeah, Harley Davidson. They're like in perfect condition. This is a Sturgis t-shirt from Rapid City, Black Hills. That's a good one. It's from 2014. This one's really cool. It's kind of like, it looks like the Hulk, but it's from Mankato, which is in Minnesota. And I'm not showing you guys the back, but it's just basically just says like where they're from. And then this one says Legendary Harley Davidson, and then it has the bald eagle on the back. That's cool. Marquette, Missouri. That's pretty cool. And that one's really soft, so I'll figure out which one I want to keep, and then I might throw the rest of them on Poshmark or Depop or both, so just let me know if you're interested. And then I got this. It reminded me of something from PacSun, so that's why I got it, because that stuff does pretty well. But it just has these roses on the sleeves, and it's just a cropped, or no it's not, it's just more of like a smaller torso, black. It has like this stitching of a skeleton holding, or a skeleton hand holding a rose. It's from Empire, so I don't know if it's from PacSun or not, I'll have to look, but I thought it was really cute, so. And then this is for me. I love celestial stuff, like anything sun or moon, I'm like that. So it's just a bunch of Zodiac Ribbon, and I've been crafting a lot, so I know that I'll use it for something. So I got that. I found this We The Free waffle knit. It's a size medium. We The Free, kind of like cow neck top, really soft. I found this Athleta size small swim top. There's just a small bleach spot, but it's very tiny, and I'll just photograph that when I list it. Their swim does really good for me. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these for myself or not yet, but they're Victoria's Secret sport leggings, size large. There's some minor pilling in like the crotch area, but it's pretty typical of leggings. And otherwise, those do really well on Poshmark as well. Poshmark or Depop, or, well, not Depop, Poshmark or Vinted. They do really well on. And then this was so cute. Oh my gosh, I am happy I found this. It's a Gap extra small 1969, like longer, kind of like a trench coat denim jacket. I think it's just missing like a belt or something, but it's really cute. And I was like, we're gonna grab that. This is, I don't know where it's from, but the tag has been cut out, same with the care tag. But I think these tops are so cute, so I got that guy. And this Loft extra large, like cold shoulder almost. It's like super soft, gray, long sleeve. And then this is just, it was new, and it's a pin jar. You put the pins on the top. But that is everything I got. I can't believe that. But this is a lot of stuff, and I spent $23, so that's not too bad. And I should be able to make my money back on like 1 or 2 of these things, which is really cool. And if you're interested in anything, don't be shy. Message me on my Instagram. I also do have a personal Instagram, which is MolliRose16. If you want to see more of like my personal life or something, you can follow me on there. My Twitter is 16 Gilbert. That's my cat's name. And 16, if you can't already tell, it's like my lucky number. And yeah, just, you know, hit me up on there. I have a Facebook, and that's just MolliLostInMakeup or Molli Rose. And I just have everything in the down bar. So all my socials are down there, and if you're interested in anything, just let me know. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, week, and whatever, and that you know to always shine bright. Bye guys.